In the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, the news headlines. The coordination meeting held between the Deputy Ministers of the Ministry of Labour and Social Affairs and the Ministry of Martyrs and Disabled. The end of a 35-year-long enmity between two families in Nangarhar province. And the continuation of Israeli regime attacks on Gaza Strip. Welcome to today's news packages. Monday, the 28th of Shawwal al-Muazzam 1447, the 27th of Dal 1404, and the 16th of February 2026. The news details. Maulavi Ubaidullah Aminzadeh, the Deputy Minister of the Ministry of Labour and Social Affairs, met with Sheikh Abdul Hakim Haqqani, the Deputy Ministers of the Ministry of Martyrs and Disabled, to address the challenges faced by children with disabilities. During the meeting, both sides discussed strengthening cooperation between the two ministries, enhancing coordination in professional affairs, addressing the problems of persons with disabilities, hard labourers, the underprivileged, orphans and children without guardians, as well as providing better living facilities for them. Based on the Ministry of Labour and Social Affairs, the two sides also emphasized the implementation of joint working plans and the strengthening of sustainable cooperation. The Ministry of Borders, Tribes and Ethnic Affairs announced that a 35-year-long enmity between two families in Pechiragam, the district of Nangarhar province, has come to an end. As a result of this long-standing conflict, 2 people had been killed and 4 others from both sides injured. The news continuation. The Consulate of the Islamic Emirate of Afghanistan in Karachi, Pakistan, reports that 105 Afghan migrants, including 2 women and 10 children, have been released from Pakistani prisoners and transferred to the country via Spin Buldak Chaman crossing. In accordance with the consulate, the individuals had been held for about a month due to security issues for a long route in Sindh and Balochistan, and were released following efforts by the Afghan consular mission. And ultimately, Al Jazeera News Network, citing medical sources, reports that at least 11 Palestinians were martyred in recent attacks by Israeli regime on Gaza Strip. According to the report, the Israeli regime targeted tents sheltering displaced Palestinians in the Jabalia refugee camp, resulting in martyrdom of at least 5 individuals. We have reached the end of our news program. For further informative materials from Urooj Research and Broadcasting Administration, you could track us on social media and platforms. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.